birthday week prep.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kendra. If this is your first time here, I don't know if I'm doing a vlog or a video, but whatever we're gonna end up doing, this is birthday week prep. Okay, this is birthday week prep. Your girl's birthday is August 20th. Leo gang, Leo season. Okay, just all about the Leos this week. Okay, so in this video, you're gonna see me prep everything from my hair to my nails to my birthday shoot to my dress, me trying to find my dress, just pretty much everything. Okay, I just pulled up to Perimeter Mall and we're gonna go shop for my birthday dress. So come on, let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is the first dress. It's so crazy because this dress is actually smaller than me. I hope you guys can hear me, but this is this dress. This is the back of the dress, just so you guys can see. That's that. I kind of like it. I don't know if it's a little too basic, but we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, this is the other dress. Now, all of the dresses that have been given to me is for, is from the stylist. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about this one. Okay, this one, it's not giving, okay? And it's too short. Yeah, not giving. Let's go to the next one. So this is the other dress. I don't know how I feel about it. It has a split right here, right? Has a split there, dupes down here, and then it's the back, just so you guys can have a clear idea. And it dupes down here, which is not bad, but I don't know. It's just not giving what the girls are looking for on their B-Day. So if you guys are ever at Akira in Perimeter Mall, you're gonna come see Sean. You know he makes
New
the
flawless.
best. There we go.
Period.
Period.
It's Kendra for me, baby.
You got me set
It's
for my
the
B-Day
B-Day
or
for
whatever.
you. It's the B-Day, baby.
Yes.
Period.
Hey y'all, so I went shopping around as you guys saw, and I did end up finding something to wear, and as you guys saw, Sean is like my stylist. Okay, every year he helps me find my birthday dress or any like dresses that I need to find. If I need to go somewhere, I need to go out, he is the stylist. Okay, he's the one who pretty much styles me. All of my last few birthday dresses he has definitely found for me. He's helped me get dressed and put everything together. So if you are in the ATL and you're looking to get styled or you're looking to get dressed, I'm gonna put his Instagram here on the screen if I don't already put it in the last clip that you saw. But yeah, birthday prep is what it is. Y'all just don't even know. Like, I am so excited for my birthday. You guys just don't even understand. Hello everybody. So today is Sunday and I'm going to my friend's birthday dinner. So I thought I would bring you guys along for the event. Also, I'll show you guys my fit once I get there, and I'm gonna show you a little bit into her birthday dinner. She's another Leo, just like me. So you know, of course, we gotta be fabulous regardless. I did her makeup earlier, so now I am I just did her makeup. She went home, she changed, and then I had to go home, do my hair real quick, and then go do my makeup and try to figure out an outfit because I had no clue of what I was wearing. So I had to, you know, throw something together like your good sis would normally do. Hey y'all. Happy birthday. Good morning, or should I say good afternoon? One of the two. I had to go to Dunkin' this morning, y'all. Like, I really could not make it to Starbucks today. Like, I really couldn't. Like, I got so much stuff to do. Like, and the Starbucks that I always go to, I guess their machine is not working or something. Like, their like order ahead isn't working, and I don't really want to go there because that line is insane. That line is always insane, and I just don't feel like sitting there waiting on that line because I have an appointment that I have to be at, and I really don't have time to sit there and wait. So this right here is a let me see, can y'all even see it? This is, there it goes. This one is a caramel craze iced latte. So it's kind of like what you would call Starbucks' like frappe or whatever, but it's way more iced coffee. Like it's like an iced coffee pretty much. Hey everybody, welcome back. So this is later on in the day. This is about, what time is it? It's about 12 a.m. But I'm actually getting ready to dye some of my hair, which is gonna be my birthday hair. So Leo gang. Anyways, I'm just gonna dye my hair, or at least try to double process it or whatever, my little birthday hair, make it look cute or whatever. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of what I'm gonna be doing so that you can see, and then you won't be able to see everything till my B-day. So see you in a minute. Hey y'all, just came back from Party City. Those are the colors in the back. By the time I post this, by the time you guys see this, the actual post has already been posted on IG. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, what my makeup looks like, how my hair turned out. This is One Curls, but today is not my actual day. Today is like being pre-done. So to you guys, it's August 20th. But to me, it's August 18th. So I want to make sure to get the posts and everything ready before you guys see it. So this is pretty much what's going on. So y'all don't even understand, my head is on fire. Okay, my head is on freaking fire. Like right here in this area, the shit is so tight. Like y'all don't even understand. But hey y'all. So today is Thursday, August 18th. And right now I'm getting some Dunkin' because I can't get to Starbucks like right at this moment, and I need some coffee in my system. So today is gonna be all about getting all the free shit. Okay, we're getting all the free shit today. Okay, we're gonna go to Sephora, go get our free gift. Okay, we're not gonna let that bypass. Okay, yep, we're not gonna let that go past. And we're gonna get our free shit. Other things left on the agenda is either to get my nails done today or go get a wax. Not sure which one. All right, thanks. You too. Okay, so we either gotta go, we're gonna have to go do all of that. Okay, okay everybody, so I just got back in from the wax, and so the next stop is going to be Sephora. Sephora is the next stop. Go pick up our free gift or whatever. Okay, we're gonna pick up this free gift. Now, we know we all like something free, okay? And I'm not gonna forget about my free gift. So, we in this beach. We in this beach. Ha! Let's go. Okay, y'all, so just left Sephora. I did get a few things, not so much.